tell you a few. One is gambling. So if they can see you're going to the casino, TAB, online gambling, even crypto, some of them do see crypto as gambling. That's a red flag for sure. Another one, which is like basically an instant decline, would be payday loans, cash converters, and these pawn shops and stuff that they give you. Give you finance. Yeah, that's anyone who needs that type of finance means that they can't live within their means. So they're behind. They're always chasing the tail. So their paycheck, they're not even living paycheck to paycheck, because that paycheck doesn't get them to the next one. They need to get a loan to cover them to the next paycheck. So yeah, that's a no-go. And believe it or not, excess alcohol. So if someone's spending too much on alcohol, that's also a red flag. You can drink as much as you want, but I had a customer that was legitimately buying wines through COVID. He was collecting them, so that flagged, and I made some commentary about it, and they were fine. But if someone's going to the pub all the time, well, it's a pattern, and they know that if you're going to keep spending that much, you can't say you're going to drop that. What they're really just looking for more than anything is that your pay is consistent. So they want to see your pay matches the amount on your payslip, and the date that you get paid is the same date you got paid on the payslip. And the amount doesn't drop, right? Because someone might be permanent, but then all of a sudden in the last 3 months, their pay's gone down and it's gone up. Well, that's a sign that you might be casual, or that you've got, there's no consistency in your pay. So that's the number one thing they're looking for, to verify that you actually get paid the amount that you've declared on your payslip. Second thing is they want to see that the expenses that you've declared for your outgoing costs, your day-to-day living expenses, especially the fixed costs, like we talked about bills. People guess a lot of stuff, but if you're way off, they're going to compare that. So if you say you spend, $100 on, private health insurance, but you're actually spending $400, and they see that in your transactions, they're going to ask the question. If you say I only spend $300 on childcare, and they see $1,500 that month, well, they're going to question that. So they're just looking for consistency from what you declare and what documents you provide. All the stuff about going to the grocery store or going out to dinner, they don't really care about that, because let's face it, like you could have a big event, it's a birthday, it's an anniversary, and you can spend a lot that month, but that doesn't mean you can do it every month. So they're logical, right? They're not going to say, oh, look, they spent $500 on dinner, let's account for that every month. Well, that's just that month. So it's more the fixed cost. And then they're also looking for debts that you may not have disclosed in your financial statement, your financial position. So if you say you don't have credit cards, and all of a sudden there's a credit card payment, well, what's that? Well, you didn't say you've got buy now, pay later, Afterpay or Zip Pay, so things like that. But as long as your pay is coming in, and as long as you're also not going in the negative, so overdrawing the account, so there's always some money left, then you're good.